Hey guys, just on my way to a meeting in the city, and wanted to share a quick video about creating lookalike audiences. A lookalike audience is basically where you can create an audience just like a audience that you upload to Facebook or you create via Facebook. That you need to scale, essentially. So you might only have, for example, a customer database of 500 people, but if you upload that list to Facebook, Facebook will be able to analyze that database in terms of their interests, their online buying behaviors, and their demographics, and create a duplicate audience at scale. So for example, if you were to upload a database of 500 customers, Facebook might match about, say, 70% of those, and then rather than just targeting that audience, you can get Facebook to create a duplicate audience normally at about 160,000 people. The more data you give Facebook, the more relevant the lookalike audience will be. So you might have to create a few different lookalike audiences to split test over time. You could create a lookalike audience of your current customers, it could be your email subscribers, it could be your website traffic, it could be people who have watched more than 75% of one of your videos. There's a few different creative ways to do so. Excuse the sirens. Where is it? There it goes. And as always, any questions, pop them in the comments below. I look forward to speaking with you in my next video.